Yes, Massive and Crew. This coming Sunday, I don't know, say Baratown I do it. Sunday Meds, Highly and Danger will be there. Live. Yeah, man. Barabbas step on the loose. I go on with some brawling, killing. Barabbas step on the loose. Taking the life of our loved one, Papa. Places that we used to farm becomes a graveyard. Yes. I don't know, say Mother's Day, and so I drop song like Pray Mama. Pray, Papa. Pray, brothers and sisters. Let's pray. It is only the Almighty Jesus can heal this land. With psalms and prayer, He will do it. This coming Sunday, May 14, Mother's Day, Baratown, I do it, St. James, Montego Bay. I don't know, say, oh, Highly and Danger will be there, man. Yes, and many others. So roll out, people. Come listen to some real good music and some real entertainment where church you off the train. Now for a Christian in a church where every day you dress up in a pretty clothes. I'm a glam posing at hairstyle. And you can't use knife and fork. This coming Sunday Meds, Baratown. Yeah, you don't know, Highly and Danger. Out and cha. Come out, people, come out. Turn out. All the ladies, all the mothers, roll out. Yeah.